Welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to use TTF file in our project. Let's start. First of all, we need to go fonts.google.com, this website. Okay, you can choose any letters, any titles, it doesn't matter. Okay, there are a lot of TTF files here and you need to download. It doesn't matter yet, get, but I already downloaded this folder. Here is my file. It is a zip folder, and after that I opened this file and we need to copy. I will go project. First of all, we need to create assets folder. Here I already created, and after that I need to create fonts folder, and we must paste it in the fonts folder. Okay, paste it. Okay, it doesn't matter, you can change his name because there are too long name. Maybe we can do Edu Fontes. Name is doesn't matter. Okay, and after that we will go pub speculum and we need to open this section. Okay, this name, copy and paste here and write assets and enter fonts folder. Be careful, this name is the same, this asset's name and font's name. Okay, and enter this file. You need to write push pubget. So okay, and after that we'll go main dart font family. Okay, wait. It's a simple title, as you see. How to reload it? Okay, it's changing. This is a small title, as you see. I hope this video useful for you. Thank you for watching.